ഉരുൾപൊട്ടൽ ദുരന്തത്തിൽ എല്ലാം നഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട് വേദനയുടെ തീരാനൊമ്പരത്തിൽ കഴിയുന്ന കുട്ടികളെ ആശ്വസിപ്പിക്കുന്നതിനും അവരെ ഹൃദയത്തോട് ചേർത്ത് പിടിക്കുന്നതിനുമായി ഉത്തർപ്രദേശിലെ ഖൊരഗ്പൂരിൽ നിന്ന് ഡോക്ടർ ഖഫീൽ ഖാൻ കൂടി വയനാട്ടിലേക്ക് എത്തിയിരിക്കുകയാണ്. അദ്ദേഹം മന്ത്രിതല ഉപസമിതിയുമായി ചർച്ച നടത്തി. അതിനുശേഷം ജില്ലാ കളക്ടറെയും നേരിൽ കാണാനായിട്ടാണ് കളക്ടറേറ്റിലേക്ക് എത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. Whether you visited the place or
No, I'm on the way. I'm going to meet district collectorate. I'll take up permission and then I'll move because.
What is the purpose of your visit here?
See, I know the government is doing good work, and I just met Honorable Minister Mohammad Riaz, and he was saying that almost rescue operation is over and the rehabilitation is going on. There is still 500 people, more than 500 people in the camps, and almost 12 days is over. So missing those people or who are missing, the chances are very less that we can find out. But those who are alive, and especially the children's. For us as a medical doctor, we know that after any tragic event, sudden tragic event, the children can go into post-traumatic stress disorder. So mental, ill health is also one of the important aspects. I know the government, Kerala has a good in health infrastructure and they take care of the communicable disease and chronic illnesses. I am here to be with them, especially at this time of grief and suffering. I want to be with them.
Whether you provide any extra effort to give that mental power to that children, those who have lost their parents, their siblings, and like that. So
Yes. That's my plan. I'm going to be. I hope for a week, sometime, and I will try to find out. There are subtle signs. Children can have a 5-year-old started having bedwetting. A small kid started having clinging their toys. So all these subtle signs we can find out, and we can't counsel children. We have to distract them, and I don't know. I believe in the giving medicine, So I'll try to distract them and try to help them to come out with the mental trauma.
One more thing: how can we make them out of this trauma?
To distract them. Not only the medicine, not only the food, not only the home is needed. There are more we have to do. We have to take them out. We have to talk to them. We have to play with them. We have to show love. We have to show affection.
Okay, thank you for joining us. Thank you.